We'd be surfing or something like
that.
I'd be just waking up.
Oh.
It's 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock, sleeping. I'd be sleeping right now. Sleeping.
It's 3 o'clock.
Great. But yeah. Next question.
Jump. No! They're not even looking at me. Oh, right now.
Are you picking?
Yeah. I'm gonna pick my other woman. You with the blue tie, sir? Yes, you.
Oh, is that the mini Riker?
Happy birthday.
Riker was wearing a tie last time. Now he's not even wearing a tie. Oh my god, he's not. Who are you? Who are you? What are you doing with Riker?
Who writes the songs for Austin and Alley?
It's basically a thing where they basically send out like a breakdown for like a certain song that they want, and then they send it to like, I don't know, maybe like 20 different writers. And whoever writes the best song, that's what Disney buys the song from the writer, basically. So whoever writes the best song, they buy that song. And then I go and record it. But for season 2, now that like, there's a good possibility that like we'll write some of the songs for season 3 though.
That's so cool.
For season 2, they wanted to take you know Say You'll Stay? Do you guys know that song?
Yeah!
They wanted to use that song, but it was already kind of like up on YouTube and stuff, so they ended up not using it. But
We'll take it down.
what are you gonna do?
That'd be cool. That'd be cool.
Hi, Rylan! Hi, Rylan. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm coming on this side again.
Yeah, pick another question.
Let's go. Alright, your friend's helping you out.
What was your favorite ride at Disney?
Say that again, sorry.
What was your favorite ride at Disney?
Disney World? My favorite is the Everest one that goes backwards.
He would. Thank you so much.
Thank
you. Oh, I'm shaking.
So, funny story.
Talking about like a roller coaster though. That doesn't count.
That's a ride, dude.
We're on like the safari ride, right? And we're coming up to the lions, and the lady's like, don't be surprised if we don't see any lions, because they are incredibly lazy creatures. They just sleep all day. And Rocky goes, man, that's awesome.
That's me.
What?
The blonde one?
That's me.
Really? Oh, cool. She was funny. And yeah, she was cool. She was a good driver.
Fun.
Is she coming to the show?
What?
Who is it?
Alright, next question. Rydell, do you want to pick or you?
I'll pick it.
Everyone asks it. Hey, wait, I second.
One of the twins. This twin with the flowers.
Don't fight.
Don't fight.
Yes.